Hi, I'm Dean Gassabi from Maison Bleue restaurants. I'm going to be cooking a giant couscous and fruit de mer dish in a Jerba camper van. So we'll start by chopping the shallots. We'll heat the frying pan. Heat it a little bit and get our shallots and just roughly break a couple of bulbs of garlic. This is what's going to give us the taste. Cherry tomatoes. This is the first time I cook in a van, so we shall see. A little bit of fennel. 2 or 3 minutes to wilt. We'll deglaze it with a little bit of white wine. And you can already start smelling the fennel coming out. I'll have to put my mussels in now. A little bit more wine. Get some smoked salmon. You don't need to get the most expensive, just get some trimmings. We'll add our cream, give it a couple of minutes. I think we're going to move it to a low heat now. So Maison Bleue started nearly 24 years ago. I was part of a group called Pierre Victoire, if people remember. Our group had about 120 restaurants up and down the country. Our food is what I call French colonial, which is North African, Vietnamese, Creole. We do a lot of Scottish food as well. It's absolutely fantastic cooking in Scotland because the produce that we have here, we're very, very blessed. Boil some water with some olive oil. The olive oil will give it the taste and will help the couscous not to stick. This will take 4 or 5 minutes, hopefully. It works really, really well. Believe me, I mean, I'm getting fantastic heat here and control as well. It's nearly ready. So what we'll do is drain the couscous, cool it with some cold water. We'll finish it off with some herbs. Cook it for about 2 minutes and that's you ready. Get set for eating.